Hi everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Super excited. My Glamour Jewelry Box subscription is here. So it's no longer in a box, it's in a bag. I'm sure there's a story. We'll get to that in just a minute. My sidekicks are both here. Can you guys say hello? Okay, Wyatt's in his video filming sleepy pose. Zena, can you say hi? Say hello. So those are my co-hosts. Wyatt is in prime mode for us today. Let's get to the jewelry. Love, love, love Glamour Jewelry Box. Such a fun jewelry subscription. Love this collaboration with Glamour Jewelry. They have such an amazing collection. They do such an awesome job curating pieces. They generally almost always come in sets. You do fill out a profile, so you can pick which metals that you like. I chose not to select a specific metal, as I do like rose gold, I do like silver, and I do like regular gold. So I do get a mix each and every month, but the sets generally do go together. Let's dig into my bag and see what we got going on. So everything does come in a super pretty jewelry pouch. It says Glamour Jewelry on it, and can't wait to see what I got. Now, this month, they did offer up the option to be able to choose between two different types of earrings. I do know that rose gold is the set this month, and I got to choose between a hoop or a Druzy earring. And I chose the Drusy. I almost chose the hoop because that is my normal go-to earring, but I chose the Drusy this time, and oh, I'm so glad I did. Wait till you see these. So, so, so pretty. Oh, there's little cards in here too. I got so excited about these earrings. I will explain in just one moment. Look at these earrings. They're little dangles. Make sure you guys can see them. Ugh, maybe not. I can't hold them right. I want to show you these. They're so pretty. Look at this. Oh, are those not the prettiest? I think I chose well. Not that I don't love a good hoop. I do. They're my go-tos. But these, the sparkle in these are amazing. Love, love, love. All right, I'm going to put these in while I'm checking out my cards here. All right, so I see right away a little card that tells me about my mailer. So it says this mailer uses 91% less energy to make than a box and emits 82% less greenhouse gas. So that must be why they chose to go from a box to the little bag. And on the other side it says, thank you. Glad you're a Glamour Jewelry Box member. If you have any questions or thoughts, you can please email them. That was what this little card said. So look how pretty these are. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm in love with these. They are so, so, so pretty. They're lightweight, but sturdy, and the sparkle is amazing. Love them. So pretty. Okay, so let me find the card that talks about the earrings. These are the Ariel Druzy Earrings. These Druzy earrings are trendy, stylish, and add a little extra sparkle to your outfit. You can't go wrong with adding the Ariel Druzy to your jewelry collection. The retail price is $20, and they're from the Laurel and Rose collection. Okay, awesome. So to step back for one moment, Glamour Jewelry Box offers two different options for you to be able to purchase. You can buy a single piece if you wanted to. So if you wanted to get these earrings, you could. The price would be $14.95 per jewelry piece and a $3.50 shipping charge. And you can skip or cancel at any time. If you wanted to do the subscription that I'm showing you, it is a 3-piece collection, and you get it every month, and it includes a necklace, bracelet, and earrings, all yours to keep. And it is $9.93 per jewelry piece plus $3.50 for the shipping. So I believe that that probably works out to about $29.95 per month plus the shipping cost. And I, of course, have a coupon code for you. So if you use the code HAPPY10 when you check out, you will get 10% off of your first subscription. I love these. Love. Okay, there's more. Next up, oh, let me see what this is. Bracelet. Look how pretty this is. It is a little infinity bracelet. Is that not pretty? And it is on an adjustable chain. So you can make it any size that you want it. I like these because if you have something on like I do, it would easily get lost in the sleeve. So if you want to make it tighter so that it stays up at the end of your wrist, you can, which is what I'm going to do right now so I can show you. So look how pretty that is. I think I probably made it really tight. I don't have to, but look at that. And you can even, it doesn't fall. That's beautiful. And goes so nicely with the earrings. So pretty. Okay. Let's see. I have another card here for the bracelet. Tiffany Adjustable Bracelet. The bracelet can be worn loose or close to the wrist. With its easy adjustable slider, it adds a little extra sparkle to your outfit. The retail price is $23. So for your value, so for the 3 items, which I think is about $29.95 for all 3 items, you do get jewelry valued at around $75 or more. It's not bad. So this one is valued at $23 and the earrings were $20. So we're already up to $43. All right, there's one more piece. Next up, the necklace. Oh, look at this. Look how pretty that is. Has the extra little stone here at the top. You guys see that? As well as all the stones around the circle at the bottom. So pretty. That is so pretty. All right, let me get this on for you. And I just did something. What did I do? Okay. I don't know. I think all right. Grabbed hold of it in an odd place and I almost tangled it. But that was all me, not the necklace. That was me. So here's what the necklace looks like on. Is that not so pretty? So I love that it has the double layer. Hopefully you can see that little stone here at the top. And then it has the nice ring at the bottom. It works well with this kind of a neckline, so you have one above and one below. I think this is so pretty. So delicate. Oh, you can see the stone here now. So, so pretty. What do you guys think? So this one is the Elle Necklace. The Elle Necklace provides the perfect delicate layered look with a romantic touch. The Elle makes it completely simple to elevate your outfit, and the retail price is $28. So that takes the full set worth about $75. Such fun, pretty, pretty pieces. I just love them. What did you guys think? Do you like them? Do you have a favorite? This is so pretty. And the earrings. I'm just in love with these earrings. So I think I'm set for today. I'm just going to leave these on. They go so well with my outfit and this pink jacket. It just matches perfectly. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed spending some time with us. I will put the link to Glamour Jewelry Box down below, as well as my code HAPPY10 in case you want to use that to get 10% off your first box. Please, I will list these items down below as well, so you know which pieces I got. Thanks so much for spending some time with us today. I hope you consider hanging out for the long haul, hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day.